Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man tabi'ahu bi ihsanin ila yawmiddin. Marhaban bikum, ya all brothers and sisters in Islam. I welcome you back to our lecture, and I pray Allah Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts barakah in all our affairs and make us understand His word and make it useful for us. So this is the module 3, which we are moving on to lesson 2 in the book that we are using, that is Durusul Lughat al-Arabiyya li ghayri natiqina biha. So now we'll be proceeding without wasting our time. We're proceeding on to Ad-Darsu Al-Thani, which is the second lesson. Ad-Darsu Al-Thani, the second lesson. Now the Mu'allif in the previous lesson has talked to us about Hadha. And hadha is ismu al-ishara. Ismu al-ishara lil-qarib. In Arabic language, we have two different ismu al-ishara. We have ismu al-ishara lil-qarib wa ismu ishara lil-ba'id. That means we have the word that we use to point at something that is near, and also we have the word that is used to point at something that is far. Now the Mu'allif has taught us the one that is used for the near one, which is hadha, and now he is introducing us to the particular word that we'll be using to denote when we want to point at something that is far away. Dhalika. Repeat after me. Dhalika. So dhalika means that. It means T-H-A-T. It means that in English language. So it means that if something is located at a far place from you, you use that. If something is located somewhere near you, you use this. Alright? So we start with madhalik. Madhalik. What is that? Like we said earlier, we know that ma is used for istifham. It's used to know. This type of ma is what is called ma istifhamiyya, to know about something. Okay, we have madhalik. What is that? Dhalika najmun. That is a star. Okay, because star is always far away. You cannot use hadha for star, except you are an astronaut and you are beside and you are beside the star. So use dhalika najmun. Dhalika najmun. That is a star. We have hadha masjidun. As you can see, the masjid is near. So you said hadha masjidun. This is a mosque. He used hadha, which is ismul ishara lil qarib. Wa dhalika baytun, and that is a house. Okay, and that is a house. He used dhalika for something that is much more far. Okay, if it is beside each other, we say hadha masjidun wa hadha baytun. This is a masjid, this is a mosque, and this is a house. It's as simple as that. So hadha hisanun. This is a ox. Wa dhalika himarun, and that is a donkey. Adhalika kalbun. Is that a dog? La. No. Dhalika kittun. That is a cat. Dhalika kittun. That is a cat. Ma dhalik. What is that? Dhalika sarirun. That is a bed. Okay. Man hadha wa man dhalik. Who is this and who is that? Who is this and who is that? Hadha mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Wa dhalika imamun. And that is a leader. Normally we always think that imam is someone that is leading us in prayer. However, imam in Arabic language means a leader. It might be someone leading in prayer, and it might also be someone leading maybe in battle or any other form of leading of a group. So a leader, as you can see even here, is saying that imam is someone that is leading them in prayer. However, you can use it for someone that is not even, it's not about leading in prayer alone. Imam is someone that is that is a leader. For example, the Prophet Rasulullah is called Imam al-Mursaleen. Imam al-Mursaleen is called the leader of the prophets. Okay, so alright, so we have madhalik. What is that? Dhalika hajarun. That is a stone. That is what is a stone. Hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. Hadha sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Okay, one more time. Let me read it for us. Okay, this time I'll be much more faster. ما ذلك. ذلك that. ما ذلك. What is that? ذلك نجم. That is a star. هذا مسجد. This is a masjid. وذلك بيت. And that is a house. هذا حصان. This is a horse. وذلك حمار. This and that is a horse. And that's a donkey. هذلك كلب. Is that a dog? لا. No. ذلك كت. That is a cat. ما ذلك. What is that? ذلك سرير. That is a bed. من هذا ومن ذلك. Who is this and who is that? هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. وذلك إمام. And that is a leader. ما ذلك. What is that? ذلك حجر. That is a stone. هذا سكر. This is a sugar. وذلك لبن. And that is a milk. Okay, now we have تمرين. تمرين is exercise. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. Okay, you put the appropriate signs here while writing it, then you read along. هذا سكر. This is a sugar. وذلك لبن. And that is a milk. من ذلك. Who is that? ذلك إمام. And that is a leader. أذلك كت. Is that a cat? لا. No. ذلك كلب. That is a dog. ما هذا. What is this? هذا حجر. This is a stone. Okay, this is a stone. الكلمات الجديدة. The new words that we derived from this particular lesson today is imamun. The first one is imamun. This imam is a leader, like I said earlier. Hajarun. Hajarun is a stone. Sukarun, that is a sugar. Labanun, that is a milk. Imamun, a leader. Hajarun, stone. Sukarun, sugar. Labanun, milk. So this is where we'll be stopping today's lesson, and I pray Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us understand his holy book, and also the word of his noble prophet. Subhanakallahumma hamdik. Ashhadu an la. Make sure if you want to forward your assignment, you're free to snap and send it to the email in the description of this video. Subhanakallahumma hamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.